Robbie, more questions this time.
Yes.
From Joe M. Madrazo ng Davao Digital Creators. Basahin na lang daw yung question niya. The question is for Gabby. How did you stay physically fit for the whole duration of filming the series?
Physically fit?
Yun sabi niya dito eh. Oo. Physically fit.
Talaga ba?
Oo nga. Siguro may mga scenes na talagang consistently you look so fit. Alam mo yun?
Hindi ko rin alam. Hindi,
Binasa
okay.
ko lang.
Promise, ayusin na namin yung sagot this time. Ayan. Physically fit, siguro I still monitor my health. I choose what to eat. Hindi rin kasi ako, pag nasa taping ako, hindi rin ako masyadong nagpapadala sa mga temptations na binibigay sa akin ni PJ. Very slight lang. So yun talaga, mainly I watch what I eat. Hindi ako masyado nakakapag-workout bilang our taping schedule is very hectic. But then, I watch what I eat not just because of my physical appearance, but for my health also. Because, syempre, bawal magkasakit dahil dire-diretso ang taping.
Ayun.
Siyempre, as a global endorser, kailangan maganda, hindi lang yung pangangatawan,
Yun
pero
siguro
yung
ang point
holistic.
nung ni Jake about she maintained talaga her beauty.
Yeah.
Talaga, I've never seen her naman talaga malaki, kaya siguro napansin ng kaibigan natin sa media.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
May
you.
question here, Arabi for Joel Mercado. May pressure daw ba doing the first ever writing? The first ever collaboration ng GMA and ABS as a creator like you.
Yes, and forgive me a while ago, you want to say hi first to everyone, Sir Joel, sa mga kasama natin.
Yes, salamat sa pagsama sa amin simula hanggang ngayon, dulo. Padulo na.
Good
Anyway,
job, Joel. You
yung-
always do a good job.
Yung pressure, grabe yung pressure.
Ah, talaga?
Actually,
Ngayon ka lang umamin ng ganyan. Dati usually parang wala kang ganyan ah.
Hindi talaga. Pero siyempre, kasama ko naman nagsimula, hindi naman ako talaga yung nagsimula ito, si Rondel saka si Nathan Asiaga, di ba? Yung mga nag-develop ng concept. Pero pressure, oo, napakalaki. Pero na-meet ko sila lahat, and the cast with the Rex, even sa Milan, nung pumunta ako para sa revisions, nawala yung pressure kasi nagkakilala lahat.
Okay.
Okay.
Especially from the time na nilabas yung storya. That was almost a year ago.
November, yeah.
November.
Oo, ikaw rin yung nagsimula, di ba?
True. Tatapusin niya ngayong gabi, di ba?
Oh, journey continues for everyone. Okay.
Robbie, thank you pala. Nag-thank you na ba kami from the bottom of our heart sa Dreamscape? We're
Thank you.
always saying to all the media activations na Unbreak My Heart.
Thank you. Sabi nga nila ng mga friends from the media, ikaw na naman. But appreciate, of course, anything coming from Dreamscape.
Na-afford namin.
Maraming
Expensive yan si Robbie.
Uy!
No?
But I think there's an expensive question next para
I
sa ating
know,
cast.
ito na nga. I'd like to give the microphone to Carlos Aragon, who will personally ask the questions for Judy and Joshua. Alan, do you have the microphone na with you? Nasaan? Charot lang. Ito pala. Kala ko sinubi mo. Go ahead, Carlos.
Wait, yan. Hello po. Congratulations first. And for question po for Joshua and Jody, paano kayo nag-adjust together na first ever niyong makipagtrabaho sa GMA artist po?
Ay, interesting. For Joshua and Jody. Does it matter kung kapuso o kaano ba?
Is there that certain pressure ba?
May ganun ba?
Oo.
Paano nag-adjust? Sa tulong ng production, nag-set up sila ng parang team building for us. So, malaking tulong yun for us. Excuse me. And nagkaroon ng mga gatherings na kami lahat. So, I think ang laking tulong nun bago kami lumipad papuntang Europe. So, ayun. Yun lang yun sa akin. And parang lahat naman kami open sa isa't isa.
So heavily bonded na talaga kayo nung lumipad na kayo sa Europe. Ano? Parang ganun, Joshua.
Opo.
Amelia, how about you, Miss Jody?
Tulad nung sinabi ni Josh, so nagkaroon talaga kami ng team building. Hindi lang naman para sa production and for the artists, but also because, syempre, we'll be working with people na hindi pa namin nakatrabaho ever sa life namin. Bukod doon, pagka sa mga character discussions, so nagkakasama-sama kami. And kaya nung lumipad kami papuntang Europe, kumbaga, in a way, meron ng kahit papaano bonding or familiarity. And I'd say naman na hindi rin naman ganun kalaking adjustment yung kailangan namin gawin. It's because masarap sila kasama eh. They're very down to earth. Parang hindi ka mangingilag ba? Parang yun yung tawag doon. Or maiilang na nandyan sila or kakabahan. But when we left for Europe to do our scenes there, we were more of like, for me personally, excited to be working with them. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you po. For my second question po, for Jody, Joshua, and Gabby rin po, sino yung artista ang gusto nyo makatrabaho sa next project nyo po?
Oh. In either network ba? Yes?
Kahit saan po. Kung sino lang pong artista yung gusto nila makatrabaho.
Top of mind, baka may maisip lang kayo, Jody,
Ryan
Joshua,
Reynolds,
and Gabby.
ganyan.
Or kung wala naman, okay pa din lang. Kasi alam ko naman may nakaplano na kayo pero not to be, parang hindi pa pwede i-reveal, di ba?
Ako, dahil yan kasi yung tanong na hirap ako. Kasi ako, very open ako na makatrabaho lahat eh. Kasi para sa akin, parang pagdami ng mas nakakatrabaho mong bago, mas dagdag growth din yun sa akin eh. Dagdag experience, mas gagaling ako, mas matututo ako. Ayan. So, kahit sino, open naman ako. Diba? Basta maganda yung kwento and mata-challenge ako and alam ko mag-growth ako. Yeah.
Pero yung mga naka-line up mo, Joshua, sa ito ba yung mga winish mo na rin na alam ko naman mga sisimulan ka na nasa wishlist mo ba yung mga pwedeng i-announce soon or early January, mga gano'n?
Kaka-excite naman.
Na-excite lang ako. Na-excite lang ako.
To work to this project na gagawin mo.
Apo.
Wait, just to be clear, is this a collaboration project again with GMA?
With Hollywood pala.
With Hollywood. O ganun si Joshua
Kala mo,
Garcia.
Joke lang. Joke lang yun, guys.
Before si Jody, si Gabby, any ano pa na...
Ako din, I'm very, very open to work with anybody. Pero what I always say sa interviews, meron kasi kaming isang project dapat na gagawin ni Kuya Eko na naudlot. Parang, it was 2 years ago, parang pandemic pa nun. Pero we had like a bit of a problem with the producer. So, sayang kasi constantly nag-uusap na kami. We were preparing for it. Nag-workshop na kami online. And then, nagkaroon lang ng problem with the producer. So, naudlot siya. So, maybe in the future, if there's an opportunity, why not? I really look up to him.
Can we name the producers? Charot lang. Chika lang. Joke. Oo. Mars
Hopefully
Jones, Diyos
matuloy.
ko, ito na the busiest for 2024 din ito.
Well, ako talaga wala akong problema with, parang working with, people in the business. As long as importante lang naman sa akin na sineseryoso nila yung trabaho and they're professional, wala namang problema doon. And siguro, yung gusto rin ako katrabaho, di ba?
Hindi naman.
Mahirap
One way lang
naman
yun,
na
oo,
ikaw
di
lang
ba?
ang may gusto katrabaho pero siya ayaw kang katrabaho.
ang
So,
sweet.
yun lang naman.
Ang
Pero
galing,
I
ah.
really look forward to working with different people because at the end of the day, there is something to glean from the experience or from that encounter. So, yeah.
Pero ang swerte
Makes
mo,
sense.
Mars, you're
Thank you.
given the best, di ba, co-actors. Ang galing-galing mo rin. Ng mga projects mo talaga. You're so blessed.
Tsaka ang ganda ng line-up.
I'm really thankful talaga to be, tama ka, EJ, na to be blessed with, giving actors. Mm-mm.
Kaya gumagaan ang trabaho. Ako talaga sumag. We're good na, Josh. Ano na? Hindi pa tapos? Nakatatlo na? Charo.
Hindi, ito na lang. Tatanong ko lang for,
Marami pa ditong nakaline
for
up.
Ate Jody, and Joshua na rin, gusto ko lang din malaman if sino yung artista sa GMA artist na gustong-gusto nyong makatrabaho this coming nagkaroon na ng collaboration with ABS-CBN and GMA.
Parang nasagot, basically yun ang nasagot ni Jody kayo na kahit sino naman, di ba, na gusto rin akong
Ako,
makatrabaho.
I don't mind, Carlos, kung kung sino. Oo, basta, yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kayo na importante naman talaga, syempre, kapag sa trabaho, yung professionalism ng makakasama mo, hindi ba? And yung magiging magandang experience and memory para sa'yo, yung pakikipagtrabaho or pakikisalamuha sa tao na yun.
Joshua, di ba?
Parang gano'n na lang din po ako.
Juliet yata.
Salamat.
Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you, Carlos.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Ilan taong ka na ba, Carlos? Parang 11 years old ka pa na nagsusulat na. And of course, another important question will come from Marinel Cruz. Miss Marinel.
Grabe ka dun,
Nag-iintay si Jody. Favorite. Sige na. Ang haba eh. She wants me to read the questions for her. The question is for Joshua. Joshua, ano sa panlagay mo ang naging impact sa career mo ng groundbreaking collaboration na ito in terms of, 1, becoming better sa craft mo, 2, paglaki ng bilang ng supporters mo, like kung alam mo lang daw, maraming diehard kapuso ngayon who eventually became your supporters. Ay, ganda ng tanong.
Thank you. Ako, malaki yung pasasalamat ko sa mga bossing ko na binigay nila sa akin yung trabahong to. Tagal kong inintay yung trabahong to eh. Yung may papakita ko yung acting ko, yung talent ko. And sobrang thankful lang and sobrang grateful na ako yung kinuha nila. And sana mas marami pa na trabaho yung dumating na para mas mapatunayan ko pa yung sarili ko. Ayan.
Kasi Joshua, ang dami mong events na ginanap sa GMA offices, sa building. Nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Even
Parang
attended
na-tour
the
ko na yung
gala.
buong GMA.
Diba?
Kanina, nandun din ako kanina.
Okay.
For unang hirit and chika minute.
Wow, ang aga mo
Ayun.
Grabe ka. Well, yun naman ang babalikan natin na sinabi ni attorney, a first of many.
Okay, tama naman. He's enjoying every minute ng promotions na to. Thank you, Joshua, and of course,
Thank
the
you,
rest of the
thank you.
cast. Okay, more questions. Do you have, may list ka ba gusto ikaw magbasa dyan?
Actually, the list is with you.
Okay, sige, ito
Tanong
na
ko na
lang.
lang sa'yo ay,
Ito
ano
naman,
bang font niyan?
Question from Mami Jo Bonsol, your favorite, Mami Jo.
Mami Jo.
Have the host read your question. Okay, for Joshua, what is your most nasagot na to. What is your most unforgettable scene and why? For Sunshine Cruz, what is your most unforgettable experience in the cast and who among the cast did you become closer to? Miss Shine, meron ba?
Closer kasi like sila Nikki, nakatrabaho ko na sila May. Ang madalas na nakaka-eksena ko kasi si Gabby, nakatrabaho ko na sa Stories from the Heart sa GMA. Ang madalas kong ka-eksena kasi talaga lang is si Bianca and si Papa Chen. So I think mas maraming kwentuhan at bonding when it comes to them kasi sila yung lagi kong nakakasama. But of course, lahat to napakababait at napaka-sweet naman lahat ng cast dito. And nagkaroon ako ng chance na kahit papaano sa dressing room nakakakwentuhan lahat. So, ayun.
Okay.
Sagot ko naman, no?
You are provided with a question. Thank you. Of course, Ami Shine, you have your Before you read the next set of questions, Robbie, I'd like to give the microphone to the diva that you love, Alwin Ignacio of the Tribune.
Such a diva.
Hello. This question is for Jody Santa Maria and Gabby Garcia. As your characters na patapos na, anong na-realize nyo about sa sakit at sarap ng pagmamahal bilang si Rose at bilang si Sandra?
Alwin really watches the show, kaya alam na alam niya what's happening sa teleserye.
What have you learned about the...
Thank you for that question.
Candidate
Miss
number
Universe. No, I think what's beautiful with what happened to Rose's and Sandra's story is that, something has to break first before it becomes beautiful. Parang nakikita ko yung storya nila as, para siyang isang vase na nabasag. But then, nung pinut back together, nagkaroon siya ng bagong value, ng bagong meaning, ng bagong story. And for Rose kasi, wala namang importanteng tao, pinaka-importanteng tao sa mundo para sa kanya, kundi si Sandra lang. Yung buong lakas niya, yung energy niya, yung effort niya, yung buhay niya. Kumbaga hanggang sa huling hininga, kumbaga naka-fix lang yan talaga kay Sandra. And I think wala nang ibang pagmamahal na mas gaganda pa tulad ng pagmamahal ng isang ina para sa kanyang anak.
Okay.
Thank
Gabby?
Ayun. Actually, ang ganda ng question kasi ngayon parang napa-reflect din ako. Siguro this is more on my POV as Gabby. I learned so much things, so much values kay Sandra. Number one is that hindi mo lang nakikita, pero grabe ang pagmamahal ng isang ina. Walang katumbas, walang kapantay. And number two, you can never ever, you have no right to disrespect your parents, especially your mom. That is my number one lesson that I got from Sandra. It's because you don't know how hard it is, how much sacrifices ang ginawa ng magulang mo para sa'yo. And kailangan bina-value natin yun bilang anak.
Okay, thank you.